Struggling to stick to your goals? You're not alone. Most of us have been there, feeling frustrated when motivation fades and we can't seem to follow through, no matter how hard we try. What if I told you self-discipline isn't really about willpower at all? It's not some magical force that only a few lucky people have. Instead, it's about building simple, repeatable habits. Tiny changes you can start making today, no matter where you're starting from. For years, I believed self-discipline was something you're either born with or you're not, like a personality trait you can't change. But the truth is, it's actually a skill you can develop, just like learning to play guitar, cook, or ride a bike. Anyone can get better with practice. The real problem? We try to overhaul our entire lives overnight, set unrealistic expectations, and then feel defeated when we can't keep up. We burn out, blame ourselves, and think we just don't have what it takes. But there's a better way. Focus on building systems, not relying on willpower alone. In this video, I'll share 5 easy evidence-based strategies that anyone can use to build real lasting discipline. No superhuman willpower required. Let's dive in. The first strategy: start ridiculously small. When you're trying to build a new habit or tackle a big goal, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But the secret is to make your first step so tiny, it feels almost laughable. That way, you remove all the pressure and excuses that usually hold you back. James Clear's 2-minute rule is a game changer. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Wash a dish, reply to an email, put your coat away. These micro actions might seem insignificant, but they add up quickly and make a real difference. Each tiny action is a vote for the person you want to become. Organized, consistent, reliable. Every time you complete a small task, you reinforce your identity as someone who follows through, even in the smallest ways. Momentum builds with every small win. One tiny success leads to another, and soon you're making progress without even realizing it. Small wins create a positive feedback loop that keeps you moving forward. For bigger goals, shrink them. Read just one page, highlight a single sentence, or write a single paragraph. Breaking things down makes them feel doable. Or simply put on your running shoes. You don't have to run a marathon, just get ready. The act of starting is what matters most. Make starting so easy, you can't say no. Set out your materials, clear your space, and remove any friction that might stop you. The hardest part is getting started. Lower the barrier, and you'll find yourself doing more than you planned. Often, once you begin, momentum takes over and you keep going. This isn't a trick, it's how habits are built. Consistency comes from making things easy and repeatable, so you can show up day after day no matter what. Next, know your why. Before you set out on any journey, it's important to pause and reflect on what truly drives you. Ask yourself, what's the real reason you want to make this change? Motivation fades, but a strong reason keeps you going. When the initial excitement wears off, it's your deeper purpose that will push you forward, even on tough days. Your why is the deeper purpose behind your goal, like wanting energy to play with your kids, or saving money for freedom. Maybe you want to feel more confident, or be a positive example for your family. Write down your real reason. Dig deep. Ask yourself why 5 times to get to the root. The more honest you are, the more powerful your why becomes. Keep your why visible, on your desk, mirror, or phone. Seeing it daily keeps your purpose front and center, reminding you of what you're working toward. When motivation dips, your why reminds you what matters. It's a gentle nudge to keep going, even when you feel like giving up. This emotional connection fuels discipline when things get tough. It transforms your goal from a simple wish into a commitment you're determined to keep. Don't skip this step, it's your anchor. Your why grounds you, giving you strength and clarity every step of the way. Third, eliminate distractions by engineering your environment for focus. Don't rely on willpower to ignore your phone. Put it in another room or turn it off. Use apps to block distracting sites. Clear your workspace of clutter. Make it easy to focus and hard to get distracted. Tell others you're in a focus block so you're not interrupted. When your environment supports your goals, discipline becomes automatic. Design your space for success. Fourth, plan ahead. Win the day before it starts. Each evening, take 5 minutes to list your top 1 to 3 priorities for tomorrow. Be specific. Instead of work on project, write draft 2 paragraphs. Waking up with a clear plan eliminates indecision and helps you start strong. This tiny ritual gives you control and direction. Proactive planning makes discipline feel effortless. Finally, be kind to yourself and restart after setbacks. Everyone slips up. What matters is how quickly you get back on track. Don't let one mistake spiral into quitting. Treat it as a data point, not a disaster. Practice self-compassion. Forgive yourself and take the next small step. Consistency beats perfection. Every moment is a chance to restart. Progress is built on getting back up, not never falling. There you have it. 5 simple ways to build self-discipline through smart systems, not brute force. Start with one strategy that resonates and try it for a week. Sustainable habits begin with one small change. Which tip will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to another How To Guru for more tips. Your journey starts now.